In this video, I will show you 5 secret Excel shortcuts that will make your work much faster. Here's the first shortcut. Press Alt plus equal to quickly insert the sum formula for your selected numbers. Now the second shortcut, use Ctrl plus Arrow keys to jump to the last filled cell in any direction. Here's the third shortcut, press Ctrl plus to insert a row or column and Ctrl minus to delete them instantly. Now the fourth shortcut, press Ctrl plus H to open the find and replace box instantly. And finally the fifth shortcut, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Arrow keys to select an entire data range in one go. These 5 secret Excel shortcuts will help you work faster and save time. Try them out and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.